Here we have it, Peruvian style air fried chicken wings.
Use paper towels to pat your chicken wings dry, then coat with a tablespoon each of cumin, smoked paprika, dried oregano, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and baking powder, which will make them ASMR level crispy. Spray your air fryer with a little olive oil, then arrange your wings in a single even layer. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 total minutes, flipping each wing over halfway through so both sides get nice and toasty. I made 30 wings total, which required me to make 2 batches. While your wings are cooking, you will make your green sauce. Just blend all the ingredients in my recipe, which is linked in my bio. Taste and add more lime, salt, or jalapeno seeds if you like it spicy. I always make extra sauce to use as salad dressing and as a dip. It's so good with these wings.
Here we have it, Peruvian style air fried chicken wings. What I love about eating the flats over drums is that you can break the side of it, grab the bone, and just do a little bit of a twist, and it comes straight out. And you could do that with both of them. Again, do a little twist, and it comes clean. So now you basically have a boneless wing. And so I want you to hear just how crispy this is. Ooh. So the secret to getting these crispy in the air fryer is baking powder. Mmm. So good.